Hey everybody, it's Detect Dig Smile. So I got my Deus 2 in, and unfortunately the ground is frozen solid. So luckily there's people that have the Deus 2 that are out and about, and they are doing some great videos, and their ground is not frozen. So what I've been doing is watching those videos, and I'm gonna do some air tests in the house, and I'm gonna show the audio of some different just Clad coins. I'm gonna start out with just Clad coins to really understand the Deus 2 and get the most out of it from what everyone's been talking about. Is that you need to get your hearing tuned in to the machine. The original Deus, a lot of it was audio, and the Deus 2 is also audio. One thing that I've been hearing is that the Deus 2 is better on the VDI numbers. So bear with me. This is sort of my first instructional video, so hopefully it goes good. But today we're going to be listening to, I'll show the coin, and then you can hear the audio. And I'm gonna just be going over, I didn't make any modifications or anything to the programs. So again, I've been watching the videos, and the best thing to do is just keep everything standard and learn it as it is. So, all right, see you in a bit. Okay, everybody, so just to go over, we're going to be in the general program. The first program, I have made no modifications at all. The only thing that I did is I am inside, so I had to turn my sensitivity down to 60, just so I'm not getting so much EMI and everything. So the first coin that we're going to test here is a 1975 penny. So we're going to hear these tones. And as you can tell, it gets quieter the distance away from the coil. So that is one way to tell depth. So again, that is a 1975 penny. I'm also going to test in the penny range. I'm going to test a more modern penny, 1994. So also known as a Zinken. You can hear the audio. The VDI number is different because the Zinken is not pure copper as the 1975 would be. Next one is again a more even modern, the 2021, also known as the Shield penny. So let's see what that sounds like. All right, still 85, 86, and notice that the consistency on the VDI number. Okay, now we're going to go to a 1987 nickel, modern nickel. Again, we're only doing modern Clad right now. Good consistent VDI on that nickel. Next, we're going to be doing a 2004 modern dime. Much higher tone than the nickel. Very consistent VDI on that. And we're going to do a 1965, really close to silver, 1965 Eagleback quarter. Alright, and then I wanted to do some testing to see what happens with coins that would be coming out of the ground. So this is a 1974, and it's one I recently dug, and it is dirty. We'll see if we get a different VDI. Still good, 95. Dime, I have no idea what the date on this is. This is one I found at the beach. Very crusty. See how that sounds. Again, very good, consistent VDI. Can tell a difference in sound. Alright, now we got some scraggly looking coins. So this is a penny, can't tell the date. Was at the beach and it started to disintegrate. I'm thinking some in the zinking range. So let's hear what that sounds like. And that has the scratchy edge. Still sounds fairly good. And we got one last one in our test today. Will be a shield penny, and it is really roached up. So let's see what that sounds like. All right, again, a very good VDI. All right, see you in a bit. Alrighty, so I hope that was helpful. Again, I am new to the Deus, the whole line. I'm coming from an Equinox 800 square tone, so this Deus sound is of course different, but I do miss with the Equinox not having the audio ability that the Deus 2 has. So again, it's going to be something that I'm going to have to learn, and it is what it is, but I'm excited to learn it and hear the difference in the sounds. Again, we were in general settings, no audio change. You're getting the I think it's the 3-tone is what we heard. So we'll see you on the next if this video goes well, I'll make some more with maybe jewelry sounds, and then some older coins, Indian heads, and we'll get some VDIs and hear what they sound like. Alrighty, keep digging. See you on the next one.